Hello guys. Hello everybody. Because of the cold weather, good thing that I bought this one last year and I just found it today when I'm cleaning our room. So I think this is will help for the cold weather here, and it's good. Look, that's handy heater. But yeah, it's very cool. You know, the hat is strong, so I like it. Yeah, guys, I think I bought the one on clearance. You know, I'm very practical. I only bought a clearance every time I saw on clearance, even because I know sooner or later I can use it. So it's called Handy Heater Pure Warm. So guys, it's enjoy warm cozy heat anywhere. Advanced ceramic technology cleans air as it hits. Adjustable 3 speeds. Oh, 3 speed. I didn't know that. Okay, quiet operation. Yeah, it's quiet and it's nice. I really like it. Because right now, we have heater, but you know, it's good for one person. Now, I feel the heat. I didn't feel cool water now. And plus, I'm having a coffee right now. So this is cool. I don't remember how much I bought this one, but for sure it's not expensive because I bought this one on clearance during the time that I'm shown shopping. True Shield Filter, powerful heat, ceramic ceramic heater, 1200 watts. Guys, as you can see, yeah, I like it. Nice, nice, nice. It's a true shield filter. I want you to show the build. They have you know, different colors. If you want a dim light, like this one, see? Now it's color green, color blue, color green, purple, blue, I don't know, purple. See? Blue, and you have like that. If you want a dim light, 7 colors. I said 7 colors. That's the 7 colors. They have red, purple, white, green, and blue and yellow. And then of course I have my princess in my hand. Princess, princess in the house. Okay guys, we just moved here, so you know, this is very usable for me. It's worth it. I bought this one. See, hit. Yeah, the good thing is they have a dim light if you want. That's color white, and that's it. And that's it. Purple, blue. Okay. Guys, very good. I like it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Handy heater pure warm true shield filter. Thank you everyone. Thank you for watching. Ceramic space heater. Bye guys. Bye everyone.